Hi guys, welcome back in the Career Diaries. Uh, this is the third video of sliding window. So the problem is lead code 1876, substance of size 3 and distinct characters. The string is good if there are no repeated characters, fine. Given a string S, return the number of good substrings of length 3 in S. So 3 in S. And return the number of good strings, good substrings of length 3, okay, fine. So how to give a substring with distinct characters and length 3, and how many we have to count how many of them exist in the string. Note that if there are multiple occurrence same string, every occurrence should be counted fine. Okay, so xyz is a one substring. We should not consider y double z and double z because or z because it has two z's. So the output is one which is xyz, fine. Here ABC can be considered, BCA can be considered, CAB can be considered, and ABC can also be considered. So that's fine. So what we have to do? Let's make it easy and simple. Since it is three values, we'll do we shall not shall. We are going to do it using pointers, but not two 3 pointers approach. Let's take the constants before. So the length of the string might be from 1. So as contents of not profile, we don't know what we should return. So contains okay. If there are multiple okay, this is okay. Let's check. What if you have a string of length 1 and string of length 2? Okay, it should be from 0 to 5. So first we have to handle this. I think we don't need to use this slide loop. X Y Z Y Z Z Z Z A Z A Z. Fine. X Y Z B B B A B A B C B C A C A B A B C. If there are multiple occurrences of the same system, every occurrence should be counted as a file. This is really easy. Well, guys, we got it completed cleanly. The time complexity is 3 and the slice complexity is order of n, or to be precise, order of n minus 1. So n minus 2. Let's check if we'll about to find a better solution. Oh, fine, fine. See, in this code, what he's doing is uh, he's taking the like a slice of 3 and applying like passing it into a set, as you know, set will eliminate all the duplicates, and if the length of the set is 3, that means there are no duplicates, and she's adding +1. I don't know how it is optimal. Well, it's the same solution as ours, but it is, see, the difference is not much. It's 17 to 17.8 MB, so it's not much of a difference, and the time complexity is also 3 milliseconds. So if we really made it complex, if the software is guys, we maintain a dictionary. So if it is already in the dictionary, then he is counting the frequency or else he's creating this r minus n equal to k, that is k, k is the 3, this is s of l minus n equal, which means what is it doing? Guys, he's doing the same thing like adding values to the set while sliding over the while sliding like this. XYZ. He's adding XYZ to the set initially, and later he's removing X and adding Z. Okay. Here is the and he's popping the previous value. If there are three distinct ones, then we shall assume there are three distinct elements. Count with substrings. How did he do this? 24, 27. Well, guys, here's the same the set thing. I don't know how about this using the set. No, this is the same as ours. So there is something report should consider while evaluating these answers. And that's it, guys. Thank you. We'll meet with another problem. Until then, bye. Take care.